Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday morning. Enough sitting on your butt at home. All right. We've been social isolating and it's time to get to work. All right. So I got an assignment for you. I want you to hang in there. I will be available for questions online. Email me. All right. Or you can put them through Canvas. I am here for you if you need it. All right. We are going to finish our meiosis PowerPoint. We were finishing when we left off. We were working on gummy worms. If you did not save your gummy worm pictures, do not worry about it. Because here's the main stuff you need in the PowerPoint. It's much like what we did when we did our mitosis with the Oreos. But now we're doing meiosis, which is just for the sex cells. All right. So when you go and you go to your PowerPoint, you will of course have meiosis with the title, prophase one, and you're going to say two things that go on in prophase one, and then you're going to put a picture. Now, I have posted on Canvas announcements a nice picture for you. You can see this picture that I've posted here. And this picture shows you basically the stages. Interphase one, prophase one, metaphase one. You could start with prophase one. You don't need interphase one, okay? And you can see that they have some nice things there. Then I want you to find on Google prophase one. You will look up ah, an image and go to images. Okay. When you find a good picture of prophase one, here's a good one. I can see they're crossing over right here. Okay. What I will do is I copy it, the image, and then I will paste it onto my PowerPoint. All right. So you'll paste it onto your, there it is, PowerPoint like so. And then you can make it bigger or however you got to do it, to make it however look how you want it to look like. And there's my prophase one. Okay. I'm going to give you 2 days to work on this. So I'm here for check-ins Monday, and then Tuesday you will finish it up and turn it into me. You want to turn your PowerPoint into me through online through Happer Horsham's website. I'm available, and Miss Iliano is also available to help you with this PowerPoint. She is also available in the afternoon as well, from 12 to 12:45. If you look at that schedule, all right, and I will be as well to check in with you as you're working on this PowerPoint and getting it done. It'll be good points for you. Some of you have already started already. If you don't have the gummy worm pictures, again, do not worry about the gummy worm pictures. That is okay if you don't have them. If you got them, great, put them in there. All right. But each slide should have 2 bullet points with a picture. And then you go to the next one. After prophase one, we have metaphase one. All right. I think you guys can do it. It's not an easy assignment and it's online, so I'm not there in front of your face to help you. But trust yourself. All right. Use that noggin of yours. It's good for you. We'll be here to help you with it. All right. Don't give up. Hang in, and we'll be available to ask your questions. Okay. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. I'm hoping that we can get back shortly. We'll see. But right now, take care of yourselves. Take care of the people around you, and hang in there. All right. We miss you, and we'll talk to you. Bye.